6. That's my husband.
What you got in it? Big one, whatever it is.
It's twin turbos. I know that much.
Oh, it's got twins on it?